Welcome. Today we have Cat S62 Pro and we need to replace the charging connector.
What's good? I think that was damn hard.
Okay. But you're a runner to do.
Huh?
You could run. Yeah, you could run. You could run.
This shit is crazy, yo.
Yeah. Crazy green.
I bet the agriculture is crazy here.
That's why it's the main thing on the island. Because remember, this is volcanic soil. So it's very rich in nutrients. So everything grows on the island. The island is literally self-sufficient. The island is self-sufficient.
Crops for days.
Yes, man. We're up here. We're gonna do something amazing.
Amazing. All aboard the choo-choo train.
Hey, doggy. Hey, boy.
Leave the dog. I'm just joking. He would run out.
What's goody? Big up. Big up, big up, big up. What does big up mean? Like,
Niceness, man. Niceness, man. Hail up. What's up? It's like
Big up.
saying what's up.
oh, big
Yeah.
up, big up.
Yeah.
Hey,
Do you know we talk two languages on the island?
really?
Yes, man. We talk English, which I'm speaking to you, and we also speak a French Creole, a French patois that we call Creole.
Let me hear.
Ça qu'a fait? Ça?
Oh, I know what you're saying. I know
What did I say?
you're saying. How are you,
Yes, that's good, that's good.
bro? Bro.
Ok?
Ou bien? Tu sais pas isso.
Mon gars baron blas, explication.
Je sais pas si le mot pas.
Mon gars baron blas.
Yeah, I speak it. I speak Dominica. I speak Creole French.
It's a Creole French, yeah.
Yeah, I speak it. I understand what you're saying.
So that's good, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
What's good?
We're going to a place called Red Rock.
Red Rock?
Red Rock. You'll see why we call it Red Rock.
Red Rock. I think that's pretty.
Watch your head, watch your head.
Yeah. Let me guess. It's a Red Rock.
Yeah? Red Rock. The view is amazing.
Wait. Okay, never mind. Hopefully the internet's still here. It's getting very treesy.
No. Where we're going, there's no trees.
Yeah, I know. No. I'm talking about right now. We're probably lagging. Boom, bop. Hey, Gucci. All right, come on. Let's get drone set up immediately. We good? We not lagging? Let's get drone set up immediately. Bro, check that cheese grill was so good. I think, oh, my fault, Darren. I think I just like cheese. I think I'm a cheese fiend. Oi, we about to hit 50 point chat. We didn't hit 50.3 subscribers today. I mean, 53 point, yeah, 53.3. Are we Gucci? it's a doggy.
Hey, baby. Hey.
He's so cute. Dominica dog. Hey, baby, he's so cute. He's so cute. You want tummy rub? You want tummy rub? Oh, you want to talk to the... Oh, you're so cute.
Hi, Steve. I'm Jody. We're going to go to Mars.
Mars?
Yeah, we're going to Mars. We're on Earth, but we're going to Mars.
We're going to Mars.
Yeah.
Is drone ready? Wait, I gotta pee. I'm not gonna lie. Hello! Red Rock. Wait, we're about to go to Mars. Wait, oh, it's turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles. So, you ever seen that meme?
Alright, so,
Good.
you know Mars is a red planet, right?
Mars, yes. Yes, I know about Mars.
And then Mars has no water, but here, we're going to get a red planet with the sea right outside.
So, actual Mars.
Yes, yes.
You said what, Henry? Henry, what'd you say?
So we're now in Calibishi.
We're going to the Red Rock set. The Mars.
Little Mars.
We're going to Little Mars. We're in Nature Island, Dominica. I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to read, like, I don't want to see it until drone ready. Slips. Slips, is drone ready? Alright. Whoa.
They tell you about our boiling lake?
Yeah, the Boiling Lake. Yeah, yeah.
So you need to come back.
Yeah,
You have a cable car that goes straight to there. Buy me new athletic zone. You'd rather do the hike. It's a 6-hour hike.
Wait, it's a cable car too?
Yes. Yes. So maybe by the time you come back,
I think I'd rather do the hike though.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do the hike though. I think the hike is the experience. Like, I feel like just taking a cable car straight there is just like, that's not, yeah.
So you like in Dominica so far?
I think it's peaceful. Like, just walking in, like, I like nature. I think, like, nature, it brings me back to, like, my senses. I feel like even, like when I'm sad, when I'm, like, or I'm not, like, feeling well, or things not going well, like, I always, like, when I'm home, like, I go outside.
Nature is healing. So that's
I go by a tree, like, I just have to just, I don't know, like, I feel like I gotta ground myself. Yeah.
And you can also, walk around trees. Also calm yourself.
Yeah, grounding. Yeah, grounding. Yeah, ground yourself. Yeah. Ooh.
So we're approaching the Red Rock. You can see it, right?
Oh,
That red hill.
is drone ready?
Yeah. You up now? So the red rock is formed from the iron in the rock
Iron.
that oxidizes over time. So that's what gives it good color.
Huh?
Traffic. Good traffic? He's right here.
Bro, what the?
There's a drone guy proof. Just go up there and take off.
Wait. I didn't even say
While
nothing.
we're waiting, we also talk for you all on island. That's all we're doing. So I'm going to teach you a few. Let's go.
Confirm or you want to go?
Oh, is he up? So the drone dude behind us all the time. He's like, I'm in foot traffic.
My name is Julia.
Oh, nice to meet you, Jodia. Awa. Suck off fat. It's like,
Answer.
suck off fat. Moela. Suck off fat, chat.
Like, if you're happy about something that is that easy.
Dad sees it. Daddy?
That easy.
Oh, dad sees it. Dad sees it.
Borgia. So Borgia is
Borgia.
translated directly is like football, like oh God.
Borgia.
Borgia, like something astonishing.
Is it up?
Borgia.
You got it.
Alright, come on.
Jay doesn't know what's going on.
It's up. I see it.
No, it's up, but the controller is messed up. Yo, you gotta tell Daryl, the guy behind you, the guy in the white t-shirt, he needs to fix your cable.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, man.
Oh, wow. man. It's wasting time, man. Huh?